Hi, good morning. I'm Ben Spry, Optimisation Desk Manager here at npower, and welcome to this morning's market reports. Okay, let's start with some headlines then. Gas and power prices have opened relatively flat to last night's close. We've got a comfortable gas and power system this morning. And lastly, Brent oil testing the $50 a barrel mark as we await news of US jobs data later this afternoon. Those are the headlines. If you do require more information, please contact us on the email address provided. But for a little bit more detail, please continue to listen. Okay, let's start with the gas market then. So, as I mentioned, prices have opened relatively range bound to last night's close, maybe a tiny little bit higher, but nothing to write home about. The gas system opened very comfortably this morning, forecast to close around about 2 MCM long at the close of play tonight. Langlead flows, as expected, have reduced from yesterday, around about 11 MCM now, as a result of the maintenance at Troll, and that's only expected to last around about a day, so nothing too significant there. South Hook flows have increased as a result, and we're seeing some withdrawal from the Holford site, but Rough still expected to inject at around about 1 MCM today. In terms of power, while power peak margins actually a little bit higher today as demand starts to trail off as we approach the weekend, going just above 10 gigawatts at the peak. Wind still relatively subdued against recent levels, and that's expected to continue into the weekend. However, gas-fired generation just picking up the slack there and making sure we've got enough power at the peak. Moving further afield, I mentioned Brent oil continues to trade just below $50 a barrel. We've got a firm resistance there at the moment. Key thing to look out for today is the release of US jobs data this afternoon, as that could give us an indication about when the Federal Reserve might increase interest rates. And staying on the theme of interest rates, obviously yesterday a big day, quite a bit of fluctuation in currency, the GB pound versus the euro, as we awaited the decision from the Bank of England around interest rates. In actuality, a vote of 8-1 to keep interest rates as they are. Many expected more to vote in terms of increasing interest rates. However, the Greek situation and also the Chinese market situation means that it might just remain as it is for a little bit of time yet, but something to keep an eye on there. Okay, that's it for today. Just to summarise, very comfortable gas and power systems today. Prices have opened flat. Brent oil testing at $50 a barrel mark. Have a great weekend, and we'll speak to you same time Monday. Thanks and goodbye.